Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to find and delete large files in Google Drive Mobile. To find and delete large files directly on your Android or iPhone, you can use the inbuilt storage filter in the Google Drive application by heading to this option right next to your files, or head to this files option and tap on this specific sort by option, and you should be able to find a size option. However, it's not shown in mine, but you will be able to find it over here. And once you click on it, and all those heavy files will be available to you on these upper levels, and the more you go below, you will find files with less storage. But the best method would be to go ahead and download yourself a Google One application. From there, you will be able to find this option called Cleanup. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will find various options like large drives, large photos and videos. From here, you will be able to find Cleanup service, and you will find this specific option for Google Drive. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be able to find all those large drives up front. You will be able to access all these large drive files up front. And once you've done so, if you want to remove it, go ahead and select on it, and all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this delete button, and you will save the storage and be able to delete a large files located in your Google Drive. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.